Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Logan County in central Illinois, southwestern DeWitt County in central Illinois, eastern Sangamon County in central Illinois, northern Christian County in central Illinois, extreme northwestern Macon County in central Illinois, northeastern Montgomery County in central Illinois, southern McAlpin County in central Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a confirmed tornado near Taylorville, or 16 miles southwest of Decatur, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. A train spotter reported that the tornado is 1 mile wide. Damage has been reported by spotters in Logan County. Expected hazards include damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The safest place to be in a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Please report strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service in Lincoln by calling toll-free 1-217-732-3089 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for much of southeastern Illinois.